going to look at page 21, number 7. Which expression cannot be used to find 237 times 12? Okay, let's look at 237 times 12. Alright, first, we need to realize that 237 times 12 is same thing as 12 times 237. Now, when I look at the choices, I can see that we have 12 times 200 plus 12 times 30 plus 12 times 7. So what they did is they have took 237 apart. That digit 2 is actually 200 plus this digit 3 is actually 30 plus, of course, this digit 7 is worth 7. So this is same thing as 12 times 200 plus 12 times 30 plus 12 times 7. Now we can also look at that as the same thing as 12 times 100, because we're taking this 200 apart as 100 plus 100. So what we just did is we just took this 200 apart and think of it as 100 plus 100 plus 12 times, of course, 37. Now we can also look at this as 237 times, now let's take 12 apart. This is 10 plus 237 times, this is 2. So all these are exact same thing. When you look at your choices, this expression, and this expression means the exact same thing. However, this choice C doesn't belong. Therefore, answer is C, since question asked which expression cannot be used to find 237 times 12. Now let's look at number 8. There are 1,452 seats in each of the 48 sections of an arena. How many seats are there in all? So we need to multiply 1,452 times 48. Eight times 2 is 16.